Hi all, in this video we are going to see about program execution using structure concept. As I am going to write program in C programming language, I am just using stdio.h header file. Next we are going to define the structure. To define the structure I need to use a keyword struct followed by structure tag name. Okay, then open and close curly bracket. Inside I am going to have three members. They are int roll number, then character name, okay, then long long int phone number. Since I am going to get 10 digits of a number, so I am going for long int phone number. Okay, I am going for that particular data type. Then close curly bracket semicolon. Now I have defined my structure. Now I am going to declare the variable, okay, inside the main function. For that, what is the syntax is struct keyword followed by structure tag name that we have used in structure definition followed by variable name. Okay, one variable name can be used to store one student data. Okay, if you need to store another student, I need to declare another variable. So how many students in data you are going to store, that many variables you need to declare. Okay, so in this example we are just going to get the data from the user and we are going to print that. So okay, I'll just print one statement, enter the data. Okay, then using scanf I'll just get the data. Okay, percentage d, percentage s, percentage ll, comma. Okay, now I'm going to store the values in these member for the variable s1. So how we are going to access the members of a structure? Using dot operator. So ampersand s1 dot roll number, comma, ampersand s1 dot name, comma, ampersand s1 dot phone number. So now I got the data from the user and I have stored in s1 variables members. Okay, then to get the data of a second student we are going to do the same thing. Using scanf we are going to get, but we need to do only one change, that is we need to change the variable name of a structure. I am going to store the data in s2, so I am just changing s2 dot roll number, s2 dot name and s2 dot phone number. Now we got the data. Okay, now I am going to print those data in the output screen. Okay, so I'll just give name slash t, then roll number slash t, then phone number. So this is the thing I'm going to print. Okay, so printf, first it is going to be name, so percentage s slash t, then roll number percentage d slash d, then phone number percentage lld, then slash n to get into new line. Okay, so from where we are going to get the data? S1 dot name, comma, S1 dot roll number, comma, S1 dot phone number. So using this sentence I can print the data of S1 structure variable. To print S2 structure variables data, I'll just change the variable name as S2. Okay, that's all. We got the data using scanf. Now we are printing using printf. Now let's save and run this. Okay, enter the detail. Let me give 101 RAM. Then I'll just give my phone number. Okay, then 102 Sita. So we have got the output. Okay, I'll just give slash in here so that it will print in new line. Now let's execute this. Second student data. Now we got the output. This is how structure concept work. Okay, next we have seen what is meant by array of structure. Yes, that is we are just going to declare one variable. With that variable, I am just going to introduce array concept. With that, we will get the data and we can print the data on the output screen. Okay, so here we are just going to introduce only one thing, that is nothing but for loop, because we are dealing with array concept. Okay, wow. Okay, so using int, first I'll declare I for iteration and n for getting number of students data that I'm going to store. Okay, so printf, enter the number of students, semicolon, scanf, percentage d, comma, n. I'm going to store the data in n. Then I'm going to use for loop to get the input from the user. Okay, so scanf, percentage d, percentage s, percentage ld, comma, ampersand. Here we are dealing with array concept, so I'm going to get two students data, correct? So it should vary, the data should be stored in particular members, correct? So I'll just give yes variable name of structure, then I. So this is how we will get the data using array, right? So we will use this ampersand s1 of I dot name, comma, ampersand s of I dot phone number. Okay, now I got the data. Now to print the data, again I'm just going to use for loop. Then we are just going to use printf, percentage d slash t, percentage s slash t, percentage lld. Okay, from where we are going to get, from s of I dot roll number, comma, s of I dot name, comma, s of I dot phone number. Okay, now let's save and execute this. Enter the number of students. I'm going to get two students data. Okay, I just forgot to use ampersand here. Let's save this and run. So 101 Ram. Okay, 102 Sita. Okay, we have got the output. I'll just give slash in here so that it will print a new line. Now let's save and run this. So three students data, 101 Ram, then 102 Sita, then 103 Raghu. Now let's print this. So this is how array of structure works. Okay. Now let's see another one example for array of structure. So in this program I am just getting register number 5 marks of a students, and I am calculating total and average of each student mark. Okay, using array of structure concept. Okay, now let's execute this and see. So I'm going to get 3 students data and 101 Ram. Sorry, here we are going to give just marks. 102, 103, so it has calculated the total and average mark and it has been displayed. I hope structure and array of structure concept is clear. Thank you for watching.